Okay, yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a sound check of the Speedsource V8 exhaust on my Skyteam PBR. Just for the record, yes, this is a rope attached to the rear mount of my tail light, because otherwise it will fall off. I ordered a new one, but it still didn't came. So just to make sure, this is recorded with a cheap camera, so the sound in real life is a little bit deeper, but you guys should be able to hear it. Let's go.